Hello students, today we are going to solve some questions of tangent and normal. So first question, at what points will the tangent to the curve y equal to 2x cube minus 15x square plus 36x minus 21 be parallel to the x-axis? Also find the equation of the tangents to the curve at these points. So first of all we have to find out point. So to point find, we have to suppose, let the required point be x1, y1. And this is the equation of curve y equals to 2x cube minus 15x square plus 36x minus 21. So students, point is x1, y1. So point must lie on the curve. That's why we are going to put here x equals to x1 and y equals to y1. So y1 equals to 2x1 cube minus 15x1 square plus 36x1 minus 21. This is equation 1. So when the question asking about the point, first of all you have to suppose the point. Okay. Then you have to put this point in the curve. Okay. Now students, this is the equation given to us. Y equals to 2x cube minus 15x square plus 36x minus 21. So we have to find out its derivative. So dy by dx equals to 6x square minus 30x plus 36. So let us find out dy by dx at the point x1, y1. So here we are going to put x equals to x1. 6x1 square minus 30x1 plus 36. Because we are going to find out value of dy by dx at the point x1, y1. So at the place of x, we have to write x1. Now student, it is given to us tangent is parallel to x-axis. It means dy by dx at the point equals to 0. So this is the dy by dx. So it should be equal to 0 student. So 6 is common. x1 square minus 5x1 plus 6 equals to 0. So this is the equation. Now students, we have to solve this equation. So we can solve it by splitting the middle term. So 3 2 is 6. x1 square minus 3x1 minus 2x1 plus 6 equal to 0.6. x1 is common. x1 minus 3 minus 2 is common. So x1 minus 3 equal to 0. So x1 minus 3 is common. What left? x1 minus 2. So x1 minus 3 equal to 0. So x1 equals to 3. And x1 minus 2 equal to 0. Then x1 equals to 2. So these are 2 points, student, the value of x1. Let us find out value of y1 by putting the value of x1 in equation number 1. Okay. So first we are going to put x1 equals to 3 in 1, y1 equals to 2, 3 cube minus 15, 3 square plus 36 into 3 minus 21. Here at the place of x1 we have to write the value of x1 3. So y1 equals to 3 cube 27, 2 is 54, 9 into 15 135, 36 into 3 108 minus 21. So this is value positive, this is also positive, both are positive, so it will be 162, negative negative, so it's equals to minus 156, answer 6. So y1 equals to 6 at x1 equal to 3. Now students, let's put x1 equal to 2 in the first equation. So at the place of x1 we have to write 2, y1 equals to 2 into 2 cube minus 15 into 2 square plus 36 into 2 minus 21. So y1 equals to 8, 2 is 16, 4, 15 is minus 16, 36 2 is 72 minus 21. So this is positive student. 72 plus 16 equals to 88. Minus 60 plus minus 21 minus 81. So 88 minus 81, 7. So y1 equals to 7. So at x1 equals to 2, y1 is coming 7. So there are 2 points 3,6 and 2,7. At these points, student, we have to find the equation of tangent. We know that equation of tangent y minus y1 equal to dy by dx x minus x1. So we are going to put the value of x1 3 and y1 6 first, and dy by dx 0, because students here dy by dx equals to 0 because tangent is parallel to x-axis. That's why. So y1 value 6, dy by dx 0, x1 value 3. So this whole part will be 0. Answer is y minus 6 equal to 0, or you can say y equal to 6. This is the equation of tangent. Now one more point is there, 2,7. So let us put the value of x1 2 and y1 7 in the same equation. Then it will be y minus 7 equal to 0, x minus 2. So 0 multiplied by x minus 2 will be 0. Then the equation of tangent will be y minus 7 equals to 0, or you can say y equals to 7. So this is the method, student. So always remember, first we have to find the point, and to find the point we have to suppose the point x1 y1. After then we have to put this point in the given curve. Okay. After then find out dy by dx of the given equation. It is the slope of tangent. Then put the condition, student, which will be given to you. Here it is given tangent is parallel to x-axis. It means dy by dx equals to 0. Okay. So after putting, then you will get the equation, get the value of x1. Put the value of x1 in the given equation. Then you will get the value of y1. After getting the value of x1, y1, you can use this formula to find the equation of tangent. Now let us solve one more question, student. Question number 2. Find the equation of normal to the curve x square plus 3y equal to 3, which is parallel to the line minus 4x plus y equal to 5. Student, we have to find the equation of normal. So we need slope and the point. Okay. Slope we can find out by the differentiation of the equation of curve. Now we have to find the point. So for getting the point, this condition is given to us. The normal is parallel to the line. So this is the equation, student, differentiating both sides with respect to x to find the value of dy by dx. So it is 2x plus 3 dy by dx equals to 0. So 3 dy by dx equals to minus 2x. So dy by dx equals to minus 2x upon 3. So this is the slope of tangent. Student, we know that slope of normal minus 1 upon dy by dx. So minus 1 upon minus 2x by 3. This is the value of dy by dx, student. Minus minus cancel. 3 will come up at the place of numerator. Then its slope will be 3 upon 2x. This is the slope of normal. Now this equation is given to us. Let us find out its slope. Equation of the line minus 4x plus y equals to 5. So slope of the line minus a upon b. Minus 4 upon 1, 4. This is the slope of the line. And student, it is given to us normal is parallel to line. So this is the slope of normal. And this is slope of line. Both should be equal. Let us do cross multiplication. X equals to 3 upon 8, or you can say x1 equals to 3 upon 8. Now we are going to put value of x in the equation of the curve to get the value of y. So putting value of x in equation 1, so at the place of x we will have 3 upon 8 whole square plus 3y equals to 3. So it will 9 upon 64 plus 3y equal to 3. So 3y equal to 3 minus 9 upon 64. We will take LCM. 64. So 192 minus 9 upon 64. Y equals to 183 upon 3 into 64. So 3 6 are 18 and 3 1 are 3. So y equals to 61 upon 64. So student, we have got the point also, the value of x and y. So this value will be supposed as x1 and this will be supposed as y1. We have got the point, and slope also we have got. Slope of normal will be 4 because normal is parallel to the line and both slopes are equal. Slope of line is 4, then we can say slope of normal is also 4. So equation of normal, student, y minus y1 equals to minus 1 dy by dx, x minus x1. So y1 value 61 upon 64. Minus 1 upon dy by dx, this is the slope of normal and the slope of normal is 4. So we can write value here 4. X minus x1 is 3 upon 8. So y minus 61 upon 64 equals to 4x minus 12 upon 8. So 4 3 is 12, 4 2 is 8, 3 upon 2. So 3 upon 2 will transpose this side, become positive, and y will transpose this side, become negative. So 3 upon 2 minus 61 upon 64 equals to 4x minus y. Let us take LCM 64. Divide 64 by 2, 32. 32 3 is 96. 64 1 is 64, 1. 1 multiplied by 61, 61. Now difference of 96 and 61 is 35. 35 upon 64. Let us do cross multiplication. So 64 4 is 256x minus 64y equals to 35. So this is the equation of normal 256x minus 64y equal to 35. Students, we have to know about the algorithm. How can we solve the question? So first of all, always remember, write the equation of curve, find the dy by dx. So it will be slope of tangent. If the question asking about the normal, then find the slope of normal by the formula minus 1 upon dy by dx. Then apply the condition. Condition is given, normal is parallel to the line. So find the slope of line. After then apply the condition, normal is parallel to the line, then both slopes should be equal. Then you will get the point. So when the question is there, student, first of all you have to search about the point. If point is given or not. If point is not given, then any condition should be given, so that we can easily get the point to find out tangent or normal. So because in equation you can see of tangent and normal, we need x1 y1. Okay. So first of all we have to find the point. If point is not given, any condition is given to us to get the point. Then you can easily find out equation. Okay students.